Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. Kids, today we will learn subject English. Today I will teach you letters I, J, K and M. Today I will introduce you with some new letters and phonic sound and related to letter I, J, K, M. We read some words also. So kids, shall we start now? Let's start. First of all, kids, which letter is this? This is letter I. What is the phonic sound of letter I? I makes a sound E. Now kids, related to letter I, we read some words. So kids, let's read with me. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. I for igloo. Igloo. I for ill. Ill. I for ink pot. Ink pot. I for iron. Iron. How to write letter I in your English notebook? Let's go. Kids, now how to write letter I? Look these dots. With the help of these dots, we write letter I very easily. So kids, shall we start now? First of all, kids, put a pencil on the dot and draw a sleeping line. In the middle of the sleeping line, draw a standing line and a sleeping line. Down, sleeping line. I makes a sound E. Kids, again we do letter I for ice cream. Again kids, sleeping, standing and sleeping. Letter I, sleeping, standing and sleeping. I for iron. Sleeping, in the middle of the sleeping line, draw a standing line and a sleeping line. Letter I, again we do sleeping, standing, sleeping line. Again we do sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. I for ink pot. Again we do sleeping line, standing line and a sleeping line. I for igloo. Again we do letter I makes a sound E. Letter I. I for eel. So kids, this is all about letter I. Which letter is this? This is letter J. J phonic sound is J. J makes a sound J. So kids, now related to letter J, let's read some words. Let's read. J for joker. Joker. J for jar. Jar. J for jacket. Jacket. J for jeep. Jeep. J for jug. Jug. Look these dots. With the help of these dots, we write letter J very easily. So kids, let's write. And look here very carefully. First of all, kids, put a pencil on the dot and draw a sleeping line like this. In the middle of the sleeping line, draw a standing line and draw a small curve like this. Letter J. Again kids. Again repeat. J. J makes a sound ja. Again kids. Draw a sleeping line and a standing line and draw a small curve like this. J for jug. Kids, again put a pencil on the dot and draw a sleeping line, and in the middle of the sleeping line draw a standing line like this and draw a curve. Letter J. Kids, standing, sleeping, standing and a curve. Again sleeping, standing and a curve. J for jeep. Again kids, sleeping, standing and a curve. J for jar. Again kids, J for jacket. Again kids, sleeping, standing and a curve. Sleeping, standing and a curve. J makes a sound ja. So kids, this is all about letter J. Letter K. K makes a sound ka. Now kids, related to letter K, let's read some words. Let's go kids. K for king. Ka, king. K for key. Ka, key. K for kid. Ka, kid. K for kite. Ka, kite. K for knife. Ka, knife. Kids, here K is silent. K is silent. So, we read knife. Knife. Put a pencil on the dot and draw a standing line from up to down and a slanting line from this point to this. Again draw a slanting line from this point to this. Letter K. K makes a sound ka. Again we do standing line and a slanting line and another slanting line. K for kite. Again we do standing line and a slanting line from this point to this, and again draw a slanting line from this point to this. Again we do letter K, standing line, slanting line and a slanting line. K for king. Ka, king. Again we do standing line and a slanting line and again draw a slanting line. Again we do standing line, slanting line and a slanting line. Letter K. Again kids, key. Again we do standing line from this point to this and draw a slanting line from this point to this and another slanting line from this point to this. K for knife. Again we do standing line and a slanting line and another slanting line. K makes a sound ka. So kids, this is all about letter K. Kids, now tell me, which letter is this? This is letter M. What is the phonic sound of letter M? The phonic sound of letter M is ma. Ma. M makes a sound ma. Now kids, related to letter M, we read some words. Let's read. M for mango. M for man. M for map. M for mat. M for moon. Kids, letter M. How to write letter M? Kids, look here carefully. With the help of these dots, we write letter M very easily. So kids, let's write letter M. First of all, kids, put a pencil on the dot and draw a standing line from up to down and a slanting line from up to down. Like this. Again a slanting line from down to up and a standing line from up to down. Letter M. M makes a sound ma. Again kids, draw a standing line up to down and a slanting line up to down and again a slanting line from down to up. A standing line from up to down. Letter M. M for mango. Again we do standing line, slanting and again a slanting and a standing line. Letter M. Again we do kids. Letter M. M for moon. Again kids. M for man. Again we do kids. Standing, slanting and a slanting and a standing. Again kids. M for map. Again we do standing, slanting, slanting and a standing. M makes a sound ma. Again we do kids. Standing, slanting, slanting and a standing. Again kids. Standing, slanting, slanting and a standing line. M for mat. Again kids. Standing, slanting, slanting and a standing line. M makes a sound ma. So kids, this is all about letter M. You have to repeat this classwork as your homework and keep practicing at your home. Thank you kids.